Guys, today's trade of the day is Carver Bancorp. And yeah, we saw this yesterday, big time mover. So of course it was on our radar today. This is one short and sweet. We talked about this live on the show. I hope those of you that watched it got it. I know the chat was going crazy this morning on this trade, and a lot of you guys had this breakout as well. These are by far my favorite trades to make every single day. Breakouts on stocks that are popping, especially when we have yesterday's action where it was halt, 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 all the way to the upside. Carver was a crazy trade yesterday. We had some of these trades in yesterday, but today is what we're talking about. The trade of the day, TraderTV.Live. Look at this. 28.50. I mean, I would have never thought, honestly, coming in today, that we'd have had Carver sort of what we call barcoding here, consolidating between 26, 28, so easy trade here. 28.50, looking for that break. What happens is we would have had a little more shares on board, but it does happen in the pre-market. So here's the break right there. Got some nice little volume happening on that break. That should have been the indication. When we saw the volume there, we probably could have pushed in a little harder, but we wait for it. So there it goes. We take that break. Very first spot, we're out there for $1. We make $1 in like 20 seconds. So we get out of half of our trade. Now we're looking for that upside. If you see yesterday, we drew this line, that top yesterday, about $39, $40 right in there. It does break back above that spot. Of course, when we're in this trade, we don't have a crystal ball. We can't see what's about to happen. So why do we get out at this level? If you look kind of back, you do have some consolidation in here once we settle down in the afternoon. I'm never ever going to look at these blowout tops here as realistic because that's actionable events on halts, right? Traders get stuck in trades, and there's a lot happening at that level. So we're not really looking there. As you can see, it actually takes it out here earlier. But we just get out in this consolidation move. And again, we're in here, we're out right there. We get out right before the halt. And again, our price, $35.50. We waited for it. I thought we did pretty good. It was bouncing around. Very, very tempting to get out down here once it broke back down below 32. But again, we're long $28.50. I'll take a $35.50 there all day, right? We put that $7 in our pocket even before we really get trading. So the day opens up. We have a nice win here on Carver. This is how I played it. I sort of left it alone here. The shorts are a little expensive to borrow, which is fine. We still could have done it, but we leave it alone. But look what's happening. It's kind of a mirror of yesterday. So Carver Bancorp, big trade off the open. It's the trade of the day. Be patient. Wait for your levels when they come in. This is kind of the reward that you could get. I'll always take a little piece out and try to hold a little bit for the end. I'm glad I held half of it to cash out for there. That's your trade of the day. Let me know if you guys had Carver or what you're thinking about this kind of a setup. TraderTV.Live every day.